Today, you'll get to meet a 5-in-1 product, the Unimo. A cot, a cradle, a bouncer seat, a rocker and a chair. Let's see what we have here. Frame with cover. Handle with toys. Mosquito net. Roof. Manual and warranty. You can already see that the assembly will go smoothly because the product is conveniently folded. How can you unfold it? Hold the button on the upper tube and lift. Now just the bottom lock. Pull it towards you until you hear a click. For safety, there is also a side lock. Now I'll show you how to prepare the Unimo to use feature number 1, the cot. Lower the seat by bending the button on the frame. Now fit the roof, protection against sunlight and artificial light. Slide it in until you hear a click. Close the zip and the Velcro. The same goes for the other side. Stretch it over the back and unfold. The mosquito net is a useful addition. Attach it to the roof with snap fasteners and drag. The handle with toys is mounted in one click. You press it in, right here. When using Unimo as a cot, a cradle, unfasten the safety belts and hide them in the cover so that they don't bother your baby. This is what the finished cot looks like. Now, in a few seconds, you can transform it into a cradle. Press the button, bend the legs, and rock. The cover of the cot can be washed. I'll show you how to take it off. Undo the snap fasteners, unzip. The same goes for the other side. Slide the cover off one tube. Then press the button on the side of the frame, pull out the frame tube and pull the rest of the cover off it. Undo the Velcro at the back and pull out the bottom reinforcement. There are as many as 3 reinforcing elements. The cover can now be washed. In order to reassemble the cot, everything should be performed in the reverse order. When the little one grows up a bit, you can easily turn the cot into a rocker and a chair. How? Observe. Undo the zippers on the sides. Pull the belts hidden under the cover out and fasten them together like this. Each belt is pulled through the inner and outer loop. Do the same on the other side. The centre belt is pulled through here and fastened. The upper and lower belts are fastened behind the backrest. In the intermediate position, you get a bouncer seat. After changing the setting of the runners, a rocker. In the most vertical position, the rocker will turn into a chair for the oldest children. But this is still yet to come. Thanks to its easy folding and small sized, the Unimo is easy to store and to travel with. With all 5 of them, a cot, a cradle, a bouncer seat, a rocker and a chair, all in one.